Hi, I'm Jeremy Broun and welcome to my Woodomain channel. For over half a century I've worked at the cutting edge of my craft, not just as an innovative woodworker and furniture designer, but as a routing pioneer, crossing the boundaries of several woodworking disciplines. My work has always been about challenging the status quo of tradition, using the best of tradition, but moving forward. As indeed tradition is a continuum. And of course this means embracing the wonderful power tool revolution that has happened in my lifetime, and whilst preserving valuable hand methods. In fact, the two go hand in hand, as often it's quicker to use a hand tool than to set up a machine. On my channel, you can discover a vast range of woodworking topics, from tool reviews, challenging some myths, tips and techniques, problem-solving approaches, projects such as boat building, guitar building, and for the armchair woodworker, some unique documentaries on the very best of furniture design that you won't find anywhere else. I'm in the process of purifying my channel. Many of you have appreciated my previous mixed content, such as guitar playing and my motorcycle reviews, which actually YouTube encouraged in the early days, but now penalises with its factory line type model, demanding a narrow focus and governed by the algorithm. So I am slowly rebuilding my non-woodworking content into two new dedicated guitar playing and motor channels. But it also makes it clearer that Woodomain is primarily about woodworking, as indeed many of you would expect. So please keep tuned.